Prosperity. Alright now. Full of opposition, I'm high fashion.
Yes, another one. Blessings, everyone. I'm Mrs. Gold. Alkaline has just dropped his first single for the month of May, and we are excited to say Nah Laugh is a hit. Everyone on social media is talking about it. Dre Barnes was also credited for helping with the project. And of course, producers are Autobomb and Sart Out. Big up on herself. Dre Barnes has also helped with Boss and Motivation by Alkaline. And we are excited to have his talent on this new track. Hits 360 said the track is impressive and the producers produced a hard-hitting dancehall beat that complements Alkaline's aggressive style. Even the haters are impressed by this new track, saying it reminds them of the old Alkaline. Nah Laugh is available on all streaming platforms.